Hello everyone, my name is Victor and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am bored. I was going to carve a chess piece today, but it is currently about -4 degrees Celsius in the workshop. So I really don't want to be here right now because as much as I don't mind being out in the cold, it's just like working with your hands, especially on like small things and holding metal tools on in this temperature right now when I don't necessarily have to. Yeah, I'd rather be comfortable. So instead, I'm going to walk back inside. We're going to go down into the basement and I'm actually going to take a look and see how my dried Rowan berries are doing because I haven't taken a look at those. I can see my breath a little bit. Why am I standing on a stool, by the way? More interesting camera angle. Haha! However, before we go down there, I can show you that I've just been making some generally pointy, sharp fangs, in my absence. There's stuff everywhere. I'm gonna use these for fire starters, don't worry. I'm not gonna go to waste. We have some more wood over there, and we have our chess pieces, one of the butter knives. There should be another one laying around. We have a ton of broken arrows. We have an axe. Bow stuff. Another thing I did was that I sharpened this axe the other day. I haven't oiled it, so the rust is climbing back on. You can see a picture of that, by the way, on my Instagram at @VictorIsBored. But the plan is to soak this in either vinegar or Coca-Cola and then, grinding all the rust off. So I'm going to make a video out of that as well. Now, I really wish that the workshop was more inside than this, but this is like an old barn-like building, so it's like not insulated, at least not this part, so it gets cold here. If it's -4 outside, it's probably -1 in here, it's not that different. But let's head inside and check out the raw berry. Oh, I found another sharp stick that I made. Okay. I'm gonna do a venture in here. Let's see. Yeah, there we have it. Cat camera. Hello, Leo. Hi. Well, yeah. What's up? Oh, you don't have any food? There you go. I think that's it for the cat cam. Let's see here. Alrighty. Oh. Yeah, this is what I've been looking for. Let's do a taste test, see how they taste. Less sour, I'll give you that. Less sour and less bitter. Because they just generally taste less. So, they're finally done drying. I think it actually... I'm not sure how long they've been like this for. I haven't checked up on them for a few days, but it's easily taken about 2 weeks to get them to this state, just in room temperature. That being said, though, I do think the temperature down here in the basement falls a little bit lower during the nighttime at least, so maybe that had an impact on it. If we had put them in the kitchen, for example, where we usually have quite high temperatures, I think they would have dried much faster. So just a couple of ideas I have for what I want to do with these. I do want to try and use the dried ones to make the Rowan berry tea again, because during the taste testing just now, obviously they turned out to be way less bitter than their fresh counterpart. So I'm thinking, could we make tastier tea with this? And also possibly making some sort of jelly or, you know, some sort of jam. But first I need to store them. For that, I've had this box down here for like a week. So I'm more than ready. So we're gonna speed this up and I'm just gonna gather them all together. Okay, so it actually turned out to be like quite the pile. But I do want to go pick some more. I think we're gonna do that the day after tomorrow. Tomorrow I want to go fishing. Definitely. I'm so looking forward to fishing. The plan is for me to go fishing, and anything we get, me and my dad are gonna try smoking it. So we get our own smoked fish. So that's gonna be good. I don't even know what kind of fish you fish on this coast, so I'm gonna have to ask a little bit about that before I go out. But I imagine like on this coast, I don't think there's like anything dangerous I could fish up, so that's to my advantage. And I remember on the west coast, like the dangerous things you could fish up, like when you saw them, you knew what it was, you know? However, let's put these in the box. Oh, ho, ho, ho. This is so satisfying. So, as you can see, I did get quite a lot. These Rowan berries is everything that I got from that first Rowan berry harvesting video or foraging video. I'll put a link to that up in the upper right corner. Do check it out. But yeah, so if you watch that video, you'll know that I wasn't far away from my house. I wasn't gone for long, and I certainly didn't spend a lot of time picking these. And for me to get a box full from that, I must say I am quite satisfied with the result. Even though it's taken time, but it is like completely full, this box. So, yeah. So, as I said, I do plan on picking some more in the next few days. Probably either to use fresh or to dry those as well and just like build up a little stock over the winter that I can use for jam, tea, you know, all that good stuff. But tomorrow, I think the plan is to go fishing. So if I do end up going that, do look forward to it. It's going to be great, lots of fun. I really hope I get something, otherwise it's going to be kind of awkward. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you did like the video, please leave a like. It really helps me out. If you do want to see more, and if you want to see that fishing video and the next harvesting video of Rowan berries, do subscribe. It really helps me out. And also comment any suggestions for projects that could help me fight my boredom in the future. And do follow me on Instagram @VictorSport. Peace.